How to change Apple ID birthday on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Inside the Settings menu, go to your Apple account which displays your name. This takes to the Apple account screen. Find and tap on the Personal Information option. You will now see your current name and birthday listed. Tap on the birthday field to open the editing interface. A calendar and date picker will appear. You can change the year and month by tapping on the current month and year. To change the day, simply tap the correct number on the calendar view. Once you have selected the correct date of birth, tap the Done button in the top right corner of the screen. The new date will be saved and updated. Following these steps, you can easily change Apple ID birthdays on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.